What's the meaning of Adam's apple? Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. The Adam's apple is a protrusion of cartilage at the front of the throat in some people, particularly males. It is more prominent during puberty when the male voice deepens due to the enlargement of the larynx. The name Adam's apple comes from the biblical story of Adam and Eve, where it is said that a piece of the forbidden fruit got stuck in Adam's throat, creating a visible lump. The prominence of the Adam's apple varies from person to person and is more noticeable in males than females due to hormonal differences.